Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Pranita. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important concept in PLSQL. So आज से हम PLSQL की जो सीरीज है वो स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. So first one is a conditional statement. So conditional statement helps a program make decision whatever you want to program to perform different actions based on different situation. You use additional statements or conditional statement. For example, imagine you are using a ATM. If your PIN is correct, you can access your account. If the PIN is incorrect, the ATM display the error message show. Okay. Or think about online shopping. If you the payment is successfully, your order is placed. Otherwise, the payment is failed, your order is not accepted or not placed. This is exactly how conditional statement is work for programming. In today's session, we will understanding everything from scratch to practical. Now we'll cover first is a if statement, second one if then else, third is a nested if, and last one is a if else. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First, what is conditional statement? Before writing any code, let's understand the meaning of the conditional statement. A conditional statement is used whenever we want to the program to make a decision. The program checks whether a condition is true or false. If the condition is true, one block is executed. If the condition is false, then another block is executed, or sometimes nothing is happen. Think about your daily life. Suppose your mother tells you if they finish your homework, then you can watch TV. Now, there are two responsibility. First is if you complete your homework and you watch TV. If you don't complete your homework, do not want to watch the TV. So programming works in exactly in the same way. जब आपका होमवर्क कंप्लीट होगा तभी आप क्या कर सकते हो, टीवी देख सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, टू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके पास आ गई. In the computer checks the condition first and then they decide which condition should be executed. In PLSQL, we use statement, if statement to perform this decision. So let's start with the simplest conditional statement. First, open your workbench, open your online compiler. First, open Chrome browser and choose the SQL Server online. तो मैंने यहाँ पे पहले उसको बुक मार्क करके रखा था, तो डायरेक्ट ओपन कर लिया. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ प्रोग्राम. फर्स्ट डिक्लेयर @h in is equal to int is equal to 20 if @h is greater than is equal to 80, begin print in single quote eligible to vote, and then else part, begin print in bracket not eligible Program is completed, then end. Select this query and run. See, you, you are eligible for vote. तो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं हम इस प्रोग्राम को. फर्स्ट यू कैन डिक्लेयर द वेरिएबल. फर्स्ट declare is used to create a variable. Then next one is a age. So age is the variable name in SQL server. Every variable start at the rate symbol. Then next one is a int. Int is the data type which is store whole numbers. Then is equal to 20. Assign the value to the variable. So next one is a current value of the variable is a 20. Got it? Then next one is a check the condition. So condition is a age is greater than is equal to 18. If the conditional statement it checks whether the condition is true or false. Here SQL server check the block. The answer is true or false. Since the condition is true, the server is execute if block. Okay. Then next one is a begin block. Begin marks this starts with this statement to the execute when the condition is true. Then print the displays message in the message type. Ends marks the end of the if block. Then next one is the else block. Else blocks only the if condition is false. Then this will be executed. So it keeps the if block and execute the else block. Now in that case your age is greater than 20. तो यहाँ पे हमने 20 लिखा था तो हमारी कंडीशन से क्या है ऊपर है. तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आया है यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द वोट. नाउ हम यहाँ पे चेंज करके देखते हैं. यहाँ के हम रखते 10 डाल के देखते हैं क्या होता है. सो रन दिस क्यूरी. सी नॉट एलिजिबल टू वोट. तो यहाँ पे आउटपुट क्या शो हुआ है आपको कि आप वोट के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हो. दिस इज सिंपली फॉर simple if condition statement. Then second one is if then else. Now let's understand another important statement is sometimes we don't want to oracle to simply ignores the false condition. Instead we want to the execute another block is the for this purpose means if else if. तो हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे वो भी देख लिया है कि if और else का. Now second one is a if else if. Now imagine you have more than two conditions. Suppose we are the creating grading system. We cannot use only if and else because there are many grades. For this example, PLSQL provides else if. Else if allows to the check multiple conditions one after another. So let's start with another condition is a if else if. So in this program is used to find the student's grade based on the marks. It is used to if else condition statement. So first is a declaration part. So here we create a variable names at the rate marks declare to user to create a variables. At the rate is a variable name. Then next one is a int. Int means it can be stored only integer values. Then we assign the values of 78 in that variables. So the programs now knows that the student's marks is 78. Next, check the first condition. Now the program checks are the marks is greater than or equal to 90. In case 78 greater than is equal to 90. This answer is no, means false. Since the condition is false, the server skip this block. Nothing is printed grade A. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ग्रेड प्रिंट नहीं होगी. देन चेक द सेकंड कंडीशन. else if marks are greater than 75. Now the program checks the next conditions. Are the marks is greater than or equal to 75? The answer is true. Since the condition is true, SQL server execute this following statement, means print the B grade. So next one is a stop checking further this condition. After finding a true conditions, the program stop checking the remaining condition. So this statement are not executes like 50. This is because the program has already found the correct grade. Then why the output of B grade? The students marks are 78. The grading rules are 90 or above is equal to grade A, then 75 to 89 grade B, then 50 to 74 grade C, and below is fail. Since 78 falls between 75 and 89, the program print a grade B. In simple real life example, imagine a teacher is checking a student marks. First, the teacher asks, did this student score is 90 or more? The answer is no. If the teacher asks, did this student score is 75 or more? Then answer is yes. Since the answer is yes, the teacher immediately to grade B don't check the another conditions. The programs works is exactly this that way. It checks the conditions one by one and stop the soon as they find the first condition is that is true. This is why the program print the grade B for marks is greater than 75. ओके, तो यहाँ तक आपको समझ आया होगा कि जो हमारा एफ एल्स एफ कैसे प्रिंट होता है. तो यहाँ पे जब मल्टीपल कंडीशंस आपके पास आती है तब आप क्या कर सकते हो, इफ एल्स इफ का यूज कर सकते हो. So in that video, in this program, the if, else if, then elif, this statement check the values of the marks and print the corresponding grades. The conditions are evaluated from top to bottom. As soon as one condition is true, if the block is executed and the remaining condition is skipped, this makes conditional statement and easy to efficient and way to decision making in the SQL. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Tech with Pranita for MySQL or SQL, PLSQL for programming tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.